Whether you are a CEO looking to improve your people skills, a manager who needs a great team, a parent trying to raise a successful kid, or a person who wants to be a better human being, there's a lot to learn from a book. Books that every man should read in their 20s to improve their lives. Books that are life-changing. When you are in your 20s, it's the best time for you to read books. Books are the best friend of anyone and can make you more knowledgeable over time. It will help you to develop your personality, both professionally and personally. Here are the 5 life-changing books every man should read in their 20s. 5. The Magic of Thinking Big by David J. Schwartz. The Magic of Thinking Big reveals how to take full advantage of your career, relationship, and family life. This book describes how being incredibly smart or unique is not necessary in order to succeed. You simply need to think in a manner that leads to success. If you think big, you can improve your work life, earn more money, and feel more fulfilled and happy in life. Think success, not failure. Substitute success thinking for failure thinking at work and at home. The ability to think success creates plans that result in success. Imagining failure does the exact opposite. When the mind thinks failure, it causes other thoughts that lead to failure. Don't underestimate yourself. Successful people aren't supermen. There is no secret to success. Success is also not mystical. Successful people don't depend on luck. Most successful people do what they are doing because they believe in themselves. In the words of Publilius Syrus, "A wise man will be master of his mind, a fool will be its slave." You need to think big if you want to build a successful company. While this book is over 50 years old, its advice still stands the test of time. Most entrepreneurs haven't read this excellent book. Don't just read it, study it. 4. Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor E. Frankl. The author of Man's Search for Meaning, Viktor Frankl, tells the story of how he survived a concentration camp and how this experience influenced his theory of what meaning means in life. There are 3 ways to find meaning in life: in work by doing something meaningful, in love by caring for another person, and in courage when times are tough. The meaning of life varies from person to person. A person's existence at a given moment matters, not life in general. Tasks and opportunities are unique for everyone. As a final note, man should recognize that it is he who should ask the question of the meaning of his life, not the other way around. 3. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki's 1997 book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, immediately became a favorite of anyone interested in investments, money, or global economics. It is the most translated and sold personal finance book of all time. It has been translated into dozens of languages. It is the central theme of Rich Dad, Poor Dad that you can use money as a tool to improve your wealth. Besides destroying the myth that the rich are born rich, it discusses why your own house may not be your biggest asset, what the real difference is between an asset and a liability, among other things. Let me know if this video has been helpful to you. If you are, I would like you to do something right now. Simply pause this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and then subscribe to this channel. That way, you'll be updated anytime we upload inspirational videos such as this one. Done? Great. Let's move forward. 2. The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. Compounding results in immense rewards from small, insignificant actions. If you don't measure it, you can't improve it. Take full responsibility for all the things that happen to you. You will learn how to create change every single day with this book. Through the small choices you make throughout your day, Darren aims to guide you in taking ownership of your own life. Success and failure are determined by the tiny choices you make today. The smallest steps and slightest changes lead to the greatest results. 1. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. It's a self-help classic written by Dale Carnegie that is essentially a life guide. A person can change someone's behavior by changing their own. You'll learn tips and techniques for understanding people better, becoming likable, building relationships, winning over others, and making a powerful impact. There is one thing every successful leader has in common: they've read How to Win Friends and Influence People. During his sales career, Dale Carnegie made the firm he worked for the national leader in sales in his sales territory. In his later days, Carnegie taught public speaking, earning up to $500 per week, the equivalent of $11,800 today. In fact, Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of the 20th century, took Carnegie's course at age 20. We were lucky. because all those lessons were compiled into the now famous book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Reading increases your knowledge and keeps your mind active. It develops your thoughts, as no other medium on earth can store and keep all kinds of information, stories, and feelings a book can. Books play a crucial role in our lives when it comes to learning and understanding new things. Is there any book that changed or strongly affected your life? Share your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this video, all I ask for in return is for you to invest 2 seconds of your time into liking the video and subscribe to the channel. It literally takes only 2 clicks, but it means so much to me. And you can also check out my other videos as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.